Hey guys, so today I am going to do a taste test. I don't have good editing because this is a Samsung tablet. I don't have KineMaster or Cute Cut or any of that. You just have to deal with it, okay? I don't mean to be rude, but just... Alright, so first one, there's only two. Like kind of boring. You can just click off if you want. This is a garlic chive. Really long. I like to eat them from the bottom because it has good taste. Alright. Delicious. I like it. You know? Ow. With my lip. Now that, I would rate it a 4 out of 5. No, 10. Let me do the 1 to 10. I'm rating it a 7 out of 10, basically. It's actually really good. Spicy, but good. Alrighty, next one is macaroon. Yes, delicious. Macarons, whatever you want to call it. I think it's blueberry or something. I don't know, but I really like it. Just look at the color. Okay, which one? That is delicious. YouTube video. Delicious. Freaking 10 out of 10.
It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. It's delicious. Alrighty. That was my taste test video. And I'm gonna go now, so bye.